Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1272 Blodgett. Doing a sewer inspection on this from stack in the basement. Went outside, we didn't see any cleanouts out there. I believe it doesn't have one. But here I am at the main. I want to pull it back and show you what it looks like. We're about 85 feet. And be right back. Alright, this is where it's turning and diving down to the main. Looks like they put some liner on there at one time. Go ahead and pull it back. So we're out here in a 6-inch clay pipe. Little roots growing in there. Build up on the sides there. Here we got some roots growing on the side there. We're only able to run a small cutter from the stack down here because there's no yard clean out, so you can't really cut these roots out like you need, like properly need to be cut back. If you had a clean out in the yard, we'd be able to run a big cutter and cut them roots back accordingly. So a little bit more root there, and another one going in there. Little section there. As you see, got some root growing in there too. Like I said, we can only get a small cutter through it, so we're unable to get them all cut back. We got big ball roots there. Go ahead and locate and mark this. I'll be right back. Yep, I've located and marked this out in the yard. It's 8 feet, 11 inches deep. So I'm going to recommend a clean out installed on that. Keep pulling back to show you what it looks like. Right here, you see we got a pretty good offset there. This is right at the transition from a 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay pipe, and you see it's earlier I had a hard time hopping over this. See, it's cracked there. It's sitting high on this end, and yes, I've located that right there next to the house. So yeah, right next to where these roots were. I recommend that to be repaired here. See, it's shifted here at the bottom and cracked, and then shifted here pretty good. You got a bunch of roots growing there to transition. Like I said, you're unable to cut all of them out because you only run a small cable cutter through it. And with that lip, you're unable to run anything but a 2-inch. So here we are in the cast iron. Got some small crack there at the top. Turn here, and here we are at the bottom of the stack. So, alright, yep, that's what you guys got. So like I said, I'm going to recommend that to have a clean out installed out there, so in the future whatever roots grow back in there, they can cut back thoroughly with a big cutter. Alright, thank you. Go make some marks out there.